Tubers and Kryptonians, this is Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another great video. It's the 29th of May 2021, and if you're looking at the market this morning wondering when the rain's gonna stop, I want you to pay attention closely to what you are about to hear. Don't look at the numbers. Don't look at the red on the screen. Read and pay attention to the news. What is the big money doing? Today, we've got some information that you should find extremely valuable, despite what might look like bloodshed on the crypto screen. Take a look at this article written by Nina Bambishiva, one of Forbes staff, released today. 440 million Circle investment is the largest crypto round in history. $440 million. It says here that their list of the largest investment rounds in crypto and blockchain just got a new leader. Circle, creator of the second largest stablecoin, USDC, has just raised 440 million in private investment from an array of private equity, institutional, and strategic investors. Of the 12 largest crypto investments in history, 5 have been in 2021. I'm going to say that again. Of the 12 largest crypto investments in history, 5 have been in 2021. That's big, folks. Almost half of the largest amounts of money ever poured into this space have happened in this year, showing a shift this year as money typically reserved for more traditional investments has found its way into the crypto space. So here they show Circle, $440 million coming into the space with some deal that took place on May 28th, 2021. Notable investors, i.e. institutional investors, Fidelity Management and Research Company, Marshall Wash, Digital Currency Group, FTX, Briar Capital. These are institutional investors. Post-money valuation not applicable. Previous valuation was $3 billion. Now, we could go in here and take a look at this. Let's just read through it. The payments and treasury infrastructure provides, best known as one of the principal developers of the $22 billion stablecoin USDC, raised $440 million from a large group of institutional and strategic investors. Circle's platform has supported more than 100 million transactions by more than 10 million retail customers and over 1,000 businesses, according to a statement. Now, that's what they need to be talking about. The capability of Circle's platform. That's why there's 440 million being poured into it. Circle also recently became Visa's partner to help businesses on the network settle transactions in USDC. Now let's think about this. They are settling transactions with crypto on Visa's network. And over the past year, USDC has supported over 615 billion in transactions, a growth of more than 28,000% in the last 12 months. Now, if you wrap your head around this, you just heard that they are settling transaction debt on Visa's network using USDC, and they're doing 615 billion in transactions doing this. That's what I heard. Okay. And then I also heard that these strategic investors, these institutional investors, are putting their money where their mouth is. They say, oh, this is great stuff. Let's give them 440 million and keep going. And we could keep on talking about how the market has had this flash crash, but look at how they're pouring money into the space since 2018. Look at this. Bitmain, August 7, 2018, $420 million. Okay. Here we are, BlockFi, 350 million, March 11, 2021. How about Dapper Labs, 305 million, March 30th, 2021. Blockchain.com, 300 million, March 24th, 2021. Backed 300 million on March 16th, 2020. Coinbase 300 million October 30th, 2018. And the list goes on. Bitmain 292 million June 19th, 2018. 250 million May 5th, 2021 on Bitso. Okay, Hazin Qualan Technology 235 million June 4th, 2018. BitThumb 200 million on April 19th, 2019. Ripple Labs 200 million October 1st, 2020. How many examples do you need to understand that the institutional investors are now in the building and they are knocking the bricks off of the place? All we got to do is keep our eye on the prize. Understand what our investment objectives are. Have our vision based on our understanding of the capabilities that are being derived and developed daily in this space, and invest accordingly. Now, this is not investment advice, but I can smell more than $1 billion. Look at this. This has got to be at least $4 billion. Okay? Right here, just in the last 2 years. This is just their little list. This doesn't include the small people or smaller investors. So when you're looking at the charts, when you're looking at the markets, and you see blood all over the screen, and you're thinking about pulling your money out, just know that the institutional investors are pouring their money in. They're not in the business of losing money. They're not just throwing $422 million around because they don't have anything else to do this week. They're betting on the technology. They're betting on the capability. And all we have to do is follow the leaders. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please throw up the likes and the shares. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to join us, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.